understanding Spirit Week, a fun tradition in schools. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and fun phrase you might hear in American schools, Spirit Week. It's a term full of excitement and culture, and understanding it can give you great insights into American school life. So, let's dive in. Spirit Week is a special week in many American schools. It's a time when students and staff come together to celebrate their school spirit. This is typically done through a series of themed days where everyone dresses up or participates in activities related to the theme. The goal of Spirit Week is to boost morale, unity, and enthusiasm among the students and staff. During Spirit Week, each day might have a different theme. For example, Pajama Day. Students and teachers wear their pajamas to school. Twin Day. 2 or more students dress identically. Decades Day. Everyone dresses in styles from a particular decade, like the 80s or 90s. Color Day. Each grade wears a specific color. These activities are all about creativity, fun, and showing off school pride. Spirit Week is more than just dressing up. It's about building a sense of community and belonging. It allows students to express themselves creatively and engage in light-hearted competition. It's also a great way for new students to feel integrated into the school community. You might see Spirit Week depicted in American movies and TV shows set in schools. It's often shown as a time of fun and sometimes humorous rivalry, especially leading up to big events like a football game or a dance. I hope this video helped you understand what Spirit Week is all about. It's a time of joy, community, and school pride in American educational culture. Keep an eye out for this term in movies, TV shows, or if you visit a school in the United States. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next English language learning video. Happy learning!